Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your pattern lock is not being recognized on your Alcatel Free 2019. When you're trying to unlock your phone and your pattern lock is not being recognized, you may want to try, of course, just check out if different order works, just try out different options to see if maybe you just forgot or are mistaking your pattern for something else. But if no matter what you do, it just doesn't get recognized, you can first try simply restarting your phone. So press and hold the power button and tap on restart and then confirm with OK. Then you'll have to wait a bit for your phone to reboot. Then after the restart, try out your pattern again, although now it will lock you out automatically after the first wrong attempt. But if it still doesn't recognize your pattern, you can try rebooting into safe mode and try and bypass some glitches. To do so, press and hold the power button and then hold the power off option and then confirm when it asks you to reboot to safe mode. Then you'll have to wait a bit again for the reboot. After your phone turns back on, you'll see you're in safe mode by the safe mode text in the bottom left corner. Then try your pattern again. But if it still doesn't work, that means you might actually have to perform a factory reset. But before this, you may want to try and contact your Alcatel support to maybe get their assistance with this. But in the end, if you have to perform a factory reset, you want to first turn off your phone, wait for it to completely turn off, and then hold the power button and the volume up buttons at the same time. Just keep holding them. And this should take you into the bootloader or the recovery mode, as you can see. Although I was holding it a bit too long, apparently, making it reboot normally. So you want to make sure you don't accidentally click the power button as I did, because it's going to reboot normally. So let's try that again. Power off your device. Then hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And you should be able to stop holding them around. Now. Yes. Now you want to use your volume buttons to scroll down to wipe data / factory reset. Although first you might want to try simply scrolling down to wipe cache partition, confirm it, and once it does that, you can try rebooting your system now by confirming the reboot system now option, and then trying to put your pattern in again after the phone turns back on. So after your phone turns back on after wiping the cache partition, you can try putting your pattern in again. But if it still doesn't work, you can again go into recovery mode and perform a factory reset from there. To do so, you want to again enter recovery mode and stop holding it when the logo disappears. Yes, use the volume buttons to scroll down to wipe data / factory reset. Confirm, scroll down to yes, confirm again. Now it's going to perform a factory reset, and then choose the reboot system now option and confirm it again. Now wait for your phone to turn back on. Then after a decently long wait, after all, you did just perform a factory reset, you can go through the setup process, pick your language, tap start, put in your SIM cards if you have any, but you probably didn't take them out, so it doesn't matter. They should automatically get detected. Now you'll have to connect to a network, so let's connect to one. After connecting, it's going to be a bit of waiting again. Then you want to continue through. You can copy apps and data from your backup, but you can just skip that for now. You can always you can verify the pattern, but since it didn't work before, I would recommend using the Google account you had on the phone before. You'll just have to remember the details of the account you had synced on the device. So just put those details in right now. After putting the details in, you can use the old account or use a new account. If you choose to use a new account, you'll just have to put in the details to another account again. So let's use the old one for now. Then it might be another bit of waiting, but then just scroll through. You can skip adding fingerprints. You can change your new screen lock option. Let's do a pin this time. Make sure you remember it, or you're going to have to perform a factory reset again. So just let's go through. You can skip unlocking with face. This error might show up, but it doesn't really matter. You can just tap next. You can just go through this if you want. You can use any of these options if you would like, but let's not do that now. Let's continue, finish, and then you're going to have to tap finish again. And you might have to give permissions to the launcher. And then choose your home screen style. Let's choose this one. And that's it. Now you can continue using your phone like normal. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.